Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12X and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again to find backup and reset option. And as you can see, the backup for the connected with the Google account is right here. So let's tap on Google account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. So let's tap on next and tap on add account. Enter the screen lock to confirm everything, of course. And here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. And Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can simply tap on it to learn more and tap on I agree after the reading, of course. Alright, so here we can decide what kind of content we want to back up, so photos and videos or other device data like call history, contacts, device settings. So simply mark the option you'd like to use, of course you can choose both, and tap on confirm. Tap on manage backup, and here we've got the backup details, so you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Here you've got backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, which I highly recommend to keep turned off. And here all we have to do is to tap on backup now, and from now on your device will back up the data. Of course you have to confirm everything with the screen lock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.